Want to know how to start consolidating all those pesky credit card debts and eliminate creditor payments by the end of the week without struggling to pay those loan sharks the 23% APR high interest rate credit card debt that they want and taking 73 and a half years to do it? Well, you've come to the right place. When it comes to finding the best Virginia Beach debt consolidation company, you need to know a few things. One of the biggest challenges people have with any debt consolidation company is securing bad debt against a home or asking a friend to co-sign for those debts. This is a challenge because folks turning unsecured debts into secured debts usually end up losing their house to foreclosure and destroy friendships over bad loans. Why should you care though? Well, you should care because it can be the difference in paying credit card debt for the next 30 years, like on a home loan, or eliminating it now and saving yourself in as little as 6 months. Are you wanting to know what is the alternative to searching for debt consolidation loans and those quotes? Perfect. You're in the right place. So let's make this easy on you. Here are 3 tips to help you know exactly where to find affordable solutions to debt consolidation loan companies. Not all debt relief options are bad, but most of them are. Not all debt relief options or bad credit card debt consolidation loans are created equal. This is important because you may be turning those unsecured debts into major default problems in the future that will haunt you for years or decades to come. You will benefit from a consolidation loan the most if you're not currently in default, or if you have a credit score that's great or not currently maxed out on each of your debts. Now, before you get your hopes up, you should be ready to first find out how much you owe and to whom you owe and the total amount of all your credit card debts, along with each of the monthly payment amounts. After knowing all your obligations, you must decide if you cannot pay all your bills on time. Then you need to evaluate which bills are the most important to keeping food on the table and the shelter over your head. You must ask yourself, are you able to do a consolidation loan on your own without a co-signer, or will you be borrowing credit or money from friends and family? Well, pay close attention. This is important because you do not want to pay creditors from a position that depletes your savings and ruins your relationships and the credit of others. Now, you should be able to know all your available options for consolidating credit card debts and why they work or don't work. And debt consolidation may or may not be the right thing for you. A debt consolidation company won't tell you that a consolidation loan will put a stigma or brand on your credit report by stating that you are participating in a debt relief program. These types of signals signal to the creditors or any potential creditor in the future that you are high risk. Now, this is important because other creditors, if they find out that you're trying to borrow money, they will know that you're in debt and that you are stressed out. I mean, let's be reasonable. You must have food, clothing, shelter, and all the other necessities of life first before paying high interest legal loan shark credit card debt. If you're in a situation where you have to make a choice between paying your mortgage or the credit card debt, then you're in trouble. If you or your spouse fight about money all the time in your debts, then you're in trouble. This will help you significantly, this program, if you are ready to accept the fact that throwing good money after bad debt will leave you in a worse situation overall, or even destitute and insolvent. Your next step is to receive professional guidance and help from a professional debt relief company that has helped thousands of customers and has been in business for over 20 years. Now, you understand some of the top Virginia Beach debt consolidation tips we can provide to you. There's no reason to keep struggling with debts. Stop struggling to pay those legal loan sharks and stop paying that 23 to 30% interest rate on those credit card debts and having a hard time making those ends meet on those monthly payments. Just stop it. Are you ready to know the exact place where you can go to find affordable debt relief help? Well, you've come to the right place. Avoid those debt consolidation companies. Are you ready? Let's get the help that you need. Want a free quote or a private consultation? Give us a call. Contact us now.